Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da video that I have gathered with videos and pictures that I have taken. I have knit 3 puffy sleeves, and I do have the tutorial. I will pin the playlist on the comment section so everyone can see it. I knitted up with 3 strands of yarn, and I used up almost 200 gram of yarn, and it is super puffy as you can see the sleeves. And I did take pictures of the measurements. Okay, the start up that I have did at the beginning, the back is not 15 stitches, it is 11 stitches. Just to correct that, I will also correct that on the live stream. I did post it on the playlist as well. It's not 15, it's 11. I did 15 on the pink and it was too big for the back, so I decreased it to 11 stitches on the back area. Okay, so they are pure white, ivory, and then pink Angora rabbit yarn. Aren't they beautiful? It took me 14 days. Well, just to figure out the pattern, because she sent me a picture and I draw the picture. So I use my own all these years that I've been knitting, my experience, and I created this top down Raglan puffy sleeves, Bolero shrug. And I think it turned out fantastic. The customer also wanted ribbons on the sleeve area. So I hope you like this video. You guys take care, and we will chat back later. I do have the packing. Here it's coming, how I packed it. This time I used a vacuum bag. Took the air off because I tried to fit it in the box to mail it to United Kingdom. It's very expensive from Canada. So that shrinked it, but of course it was still heavy. 750 gram, 1.5 pounds. You guys take care. Bye-bye.